Hello children, welcome to Deyavati Modi Public Schools online class of SST. Today we are going to start new chapter. What books and burials tell us. One of the oldest books in the world. You may have heard about the Vedas. There are 4 of them. Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharved. The oldest Veda is the Rig Veda. It is composed about 3500 years ago. The Rig Veda includes more than 1000 hymns called Sukta. These hymns are in praise of various gods. 3 gods are especially important. Agni, the god of fire. Indra, a warrior god. And Soma, a plant from which a special drink was prepared. These hymns were composed by rishis. Priests taught students to recite and memorize each syllable, word, and sentence bit by bit with great care. Some of the hymns in the Rig Veda are in the form of dialogues. Cattle, horses, and chariots. ऋग वेदा में कैटल और चिल्ड्रन के लिए बहुत सारी प्रेयर्स हैं. ऋग्वेदा में हॉर्सेस के लिए भी प्रेयर्स हैं. Horses were yoked to chariots that were used in battles, which were fought to capture cattle. Battles were also fought for land, which was important for pastures and for growing hardy crops that ripened quickly, such as barley. Some battles were fought for water. बैटल से जो भी धन संपदा प्राप्त होती थी उनमें से कुछ तो लीडर्स रख लेते थे और कुछ प्रीस्ट को दे दी जाती थी और जो बचती थी वो लोगों में बांट दी जाती थी. Some wealth was used for the performance of sacrifices in which offerings were made into the fire. Offerings could include ghee, grain and in some cases animals. युद्ध में बहुत लोग हिस्सा लेते थे लेकिन कोई रेगुलर आर्मी नहीं थी. असेंबलीज होती थी जहाँ पर लोग मिलते थे और युद्ध और शांति के मामलों में डिस्कशन करते थे और वो अपना एक बहादुर नेता भी चुनते थे. वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब पीपल. लोगों को डिस्क्राइब करने के कई तरीके हैं. हम उन्हें उनके काम के अकॉर्डिंग भी डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. लैंग्वेज जो वो बोलते हैं, जिस स्थान से वो बिलोंग करते हैं, उनका परिवार, उनकी कम्युनिटीज़ और कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस के अकॉर्डिंग भी हम लोगों को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. देयर आर 2 ग्रुप्स who are described in terms of their work, Brahman and राजा. चिल्ड्रन, ये वो राजा नहीं थे जो आप पढ़ चुके हो या आगे पढ़ोगे. इन राजा के पास कोई कैपिटल सिटी नहीं थी, कोई महल नहीं थे, कोई आर्मी नहीं थी और ना ही ये टैक्सेस कलेक्ट करते थे और ना ही इनकी डेथ के बाद इनके बेटे ऑटोमेटिकली राजा बनते थे. 2 words were used to describe the people or the community as a whole. One was the word Jana. The other was Vish. The word Vaishya comes from Vish. Sometimes the people who composed the hymns described themselves as Aryas and called their opponents Dasas. These were people who did not perform sacrifices and probably spoke different languages. Silent Sentinels, the story of the megaliths. These stone boulders are known as megaliths, means big stones. These were carefully arranged by people and were used to mark burial sites. The practice of erecting megaliths began about 3000 years ago and was prevalent throughout the Deccan, South India, in the northeast, and Kashmir. Children, look at the map carefully. Here, some important megalith sites are shown. Sometimes, archaeologists find a circle of stone boulders or a single large stone standing on the ground. These are the only indications that there are burials beneath. All these burials have some common features. Generally, the dead were buried with distinctive pots, which are called black and red ware. Also found are tools and weapons of iron, and sometimes skeleton of horse and horse equipments also. Finding out about social differences. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट सोचते हैं कि स्केलेटन के पास जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स मिले वो डेड पर्सन से ही बिलोंग करते हैं। कभी कभी एक ग्रेव में दूसरी ग्रेव की अपेक्षा ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स पाए गए। चिल्ड्रन, आपको मैप में ब्रह्मगिरी नज़र आ रहा है ना? इस ब्रह्मगिरी में एक स्केलेटन मिला जिसके पास 33 गोल्ड बीड्स, 2 स्टोन बीड्स, 4 कॉपर बैंगल्स और 1 कॉन्च शेल पाया गया। दूसरे स्केलेटन्स के पास केवल कुछ बर्तन मिले। तो इन फाइंडिंग से उस समय के लोगों के स्टेटस में डिफरेंस का पता चलता है। Were some burial spots meant for certain families? कभी कभी मेगालिथ्स में एक से ज़्यादा स्केलेटन्स मिले। ये इंडिकेट करते हैं कि ये लोग शायद एक ही फैमिली के थे और उन्हें एक ही प्लेस पर बैरिड किया गया। चिल्ड्रन, एक ही प्लेस पर, ना कि एक ही टाइम पर। मतलब जो भी फैमिली के मेंबर्स बाद में मरते गए, they were brought into the grave through the portholes. Stone circles or boulders placed on the surface probably served as signposts to find the burial site so that people could return to the same place whenever they wanted to. A special burial at Inam Gaon. It is a site on the river God. It was occupied between 3600 and 2700 years ago. Here, adults were generally buried in the ground, laid out straight, with the head towards the north. Sometimes, burials were within the houses. Vessels that probably contained food and water were placed with the dead. Occupations at इनाम गांव. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को यहाँ से वीट, बार्ले, राइस, पल्सिस, मिलेट्स, पीच और सीसीम की सीड्स मिली हैं. कई एनिमल्स की बोन्स भी मिली हैं. Many bearing cut marks that show they may have been used as food have also been found. These include cattle, buffalo, goat, sheep, dog, horse, ass, pig, spotted deer, antelope, mongoose, besides birds, crocodile, turtle, crab and fish. There is evidence that fruits such as bear, amla, jamun, dates and a variety of berries were collected. Okay children, this lesson has been completed. Thank you so much. Take care.